Hello, secret agents. This is a quick tutorial video on how to redeem your GetAway cruise certificate. First, you're going to go to clubsecret.com and log in with your login and password. Underneath Experience Your Best, you're going to go down to Unique Travel and Experiences and click on Getaways. When you click on Getaways, it's going to take you to a new website where it will ask you to log in one more time. Once you have logged in, you are now on your My Getaways with Club Seacret website. And this is where you're going to redeem your certificate. If you go click on the top on cruises, it's going to take you to the Getaway Cruise section. Next, you're going to click on Add Cruises to Cart. This is going to take your Getaway certificate, as long as you have one available, and add it to your cart. This is where then you would proceed to checkout. This is where you'll enter your billing information and the one-time $99 for your cruise activation for your Getaway. Now, if you purchase one of our professional packages, this $99 was included in your package, or with Club Seacret Plus 6, our 6 months prepaid membership, your activation is already included. However, if your activation is not included in one of the programs that you purchased here with Seacret, then you'll just pay the one-time $99 and access your cruise certificate, then to go search for the cruise of your choice and enjoy your getaway. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions by simply clicking on terms and conditions and then hit place your order. Once your order has been placed, you will see right here in the middle your cruise voucher code and authorization code, which you're going to want to make sure and you take a screenshot of or write down. This should also be emailed to you at the email you have on file. Once you have activated your Getaway certificate for your cruise, go check your email. In the email, you will see your voucher number and your authorization code, and then the website to activate your cruise voucher. Make sure you do this within 30 days, activating your code. Otherwise, you will forfeit your cruise certificate. You're going to go to this website, getawaywithclubsecret.com, to activate your cruise. If it's your first time, you're going to put your first, last name, email, create a password, and then use the voucher code and the authorization code found in your email after you've claimed your certificate by activating. If you are a repeat using another Getaway, you're going to simply go click on sign in on the top and sign in with your personal information. And then that's it. Now explore your cruise voucher, your Club Seacret 3 to 4 day cruise for 2. Now, sometimes you'll find cruises that are longer, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. After hitting shop, it's going to take you to our Club Seacret cruise booking search engine. Now, first thing is it's going to automatically choose a month for you. I recommend unclicking that so you can choose any month, any destination, any cruise, and see what's available in the world. Now, you may want to cruise from Florida to the Bahamas, or from California to down to Mexico, or maybe you want to do a European cruise or an Asia cruise. There's lots around the world for you to choose from. Dubai has some also great options. Now, what you'll notice is you can search for different cruises, different ports, different ships, or best value or sailing date. Now, you'll notice that a lot of our cruises you're going to see are $0 with your cruise certificate with an asterisk. The reason why is when this cruise was originally put up, there was $0 options. Now, some of them, if you click through, those $0 options have sold out. Now, there's great discounts for upgrades, as you can see, from inside to outside rooms to balconies and so on and so forth. So to be sure you're getting the cruise that you're looking for, or you just want to know what is available around these dates, around this location, go ahead and call in that number right there on the top right-hand corner, 833-337-2318, so you can book the cruise of your dreams. And we are excited for you to get away here with Club Seacret.